There's 36 grams in a Coca-Cola. How did I get that wrong?
I know. What's going on, everybody? We are back with another episode of Street Smart with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shatty. Hey guys, this is Rachid from the future. We had some technical difficulties with our microphone this week, so we had to record audio using my cell phone. I apologize for this, and now, on with the show. And we are here today on the iconic Santa Monica Pier in Los Angeles, California. Today, we're gonna walk up and down the pier, and we're gonna ask some people some questions about their health. All right, ladies, ma'am, what is your name and where are you from?
Jason Flores, I'm from Vancouver, Canada.
Kirsten, originally from California.
Hey, okay.
Upland, east of LA, and then been in Idaho ever since.
Melbourne, I'm from Nashua, New Hampshire.
Your name's Melbourne?
Yes.
It's a dope name, man.
Sarah from Meridian, Idaho.
Idaho, okay. You've seen the movie Napoleon Dynamite?
Yes,
That's it.
definitely. Brittany, also Meridian, Idaho.
The Idaho trio. I love it. Okay, sweet. You guys have a little bit of a medical, right? Healthcare background, so you guys...
Yes.
Okay, there we go.
These two
Some
men.
cheat codes here, okay. True or false? Adults have more bones than babies.
I believe that's false.
I think it's false.
False. No, is that true or false? I feel like it's false. Aren't we born with all the same bones?
You're damn right.
Yes.
You're correct. That is false.
Oh, wow.
Ding, ding, ding. That's one for one.
Because they grow together.
Because
They
they fuse.
Ding, ding, ding. You guys,
Yeah.
and you gave the reasoning too. They fuse together.
Yeah.
I'm learning something here.
I was trying to remember biology class.
I was asleep for most of it. All right, now we're gonna crank it up a little bit. It's gonna get a little bit tougher here on the second one. Okay, this is we're gonna switch gears here to herpes.
Right up my alley.
Herpes zoster is the scientific name for what disease?
It wasn't herpes.
Is it A, cold sores, B, shingles, or C, eczema?
Oh, not eczema. It's
I think that's cold sores.
Hey, cold sores.
a cold sore.
It's
a cold sore. Yeah.
It's
It's a shingle.
It's B, it's shingles.
I'm like, wait a second.
Damn, what the hell?
It's not the same virus as herpes, but it is a part of the same family of viruses.
Okay.
Jeez.
that
I always
explains-
thought it was just something the elderly got from not getting their shingles vaccine.
Zoster is the name of it's a kind of an ancient Greek belt because shingles rashes usually show up in a belt-like single stripes.
The Zoster is varicella, which is also chickenpox, which turns into shingles.
Wow.
Yeah.
There you go.
Wait, we gotta give you some good reason.
Final one, number 3. How many teaspoons of sugar does the average American eat per day? Is it A, 20 teaspoons, B, 60 teaspoons, or C, 5 teaspoons?
It has to be 60.
B.
60 teaspoons?
Yeah.
B.
Yeah, I would say B too.
B, 60 teaspoons?
So I thought it was around 56, but
So you just figure like Americans just consume a lot
we
of
just
sugar?
consume a lot of sugar.
Everything has sugar. Corn syrup, everything.
Corn syrup, you're
Yeah.
right. It's actually A, 20 teaspoons.
Oh, a little less, 20, really?
A little, I know what you mean. I thought like a ton.
There's 36 grams in a Coca-Cola. How did I get that wrong?
I know what you mean.
That's interesting.
So I guess we're a little healthier than we give ourselves credit
Yeah.
for, I guess.
I guess so, yeah.
We just did the Street Smart Challenge. Thank you, Dherbs.
I'm Melbourne. I just did the Street Smart Challenge. Thank you, Dherbs.
I'm here with Dherbs, did the Street Smart Challenge, and I failed my ass off.
You did great, Jason. All right, guys, that concludes another episode of Street Smart with Rachid. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let us know how many questions you got right or any questions you have. Thanks again, guys, for watching, and please tune in again next week for another episode of Street Smart with Rachid.